Hi, I'm Dr. Kirsten, the ManyPets vet.
And I'm Adem Fehmi, a dog behaviorist and trainer.
So I have a lot of clients asking me in the clinic about separation anxiety. So what are some of the common signs that owners should be on the lookout for when we're talking about separation anxiety?
Some of the more extreme signs may be things like being disruptive at the home, defecating and urinating within the home, hyperventilating, these sorts of behaviors.
And then what are some signs that might not be so obvious to pet owners?
We may be seeing things like dogs shadowing us around the home, not being comfortable leaving us. If we go to the loo, for example.
So like I said, I have a lot of people asking about this. So Adam, what are your top tips for pet owners?
So I have 5 top tips for pet owners with dogs that may be suffering separation anxiety. We can also do these tips if we have a dog that doesn't have separation anxiety. It can enrich their day. Okay, so number 1 is exercise. Exercise is really important for our dogs, and like with us, it can reduce anxious energy. So make your walks count before leaving your dog and make sure that you have fun on these walks.
And that's really important because mental enrichment is so massive when it comes to development and energy release in dogs. So not only is that good for mental stimulation, but it's also great for physical health as well, just like in people. So a happy dog is also going to be a healthy dog.
And think about your dog's life stage. So a puppy might need to explore on a walk. We might be using toys on a walk with an older dog to drain some of that energy. And these things can help reduce anxious behavior. So tip 2, give your dog something to do. Food enrichment toys, rubber types, puzzle types, snuffle mats, for example, can be really, really good. You can even scatter food, but make it positive for your dog whilst being away from you.
So just like us, when our animals are bored, they start to get a little bit anxious. And so giving them positive enrichment with something at home, like a toy or a treat, can be a really nice way to calm that anxiety when you're gone.
Tip 3, create a calm environment for your dog. So I like to play classic FM and have a nice comfortable bed whilst leaving my dogs alone.
Or if you're like me, your dog's getting on the couch while you're gone.
Tip number 4 is setting the scene. Whilst you're at home, practice being away from your dog. You could use a stair gate or a puppy crate or even a lead. What we need to look for here is progression. We need to make sure our dog is comfortable with us, increasing the distance over time. And remember, if this is a struggle, to seek professional behavioural advice.
And don't be disheartened if your dog doesn't seem to be picking it up quickly. This is something that is going to take time, practice, and consistency.
Tip 5 is to be calm on return when greeting your dog. Remember, we want to make this a non-event. We're going to be doing this every day. So be really, really calm when you return to your dog.
This is one of my favorite ones to remind owners of because we get really excited when we come home to see our animals. They're excited to see us, but encouraging that calm behavior when you return is a really nice way to make a consistent routine. So any final tips, Adam?
Remember guys, separation anxiety can be really, really complex. So it's really important to be patient, take your time, seek that professional behavioural advice if you require it. Remember guys, it's fixable and it's really, really important to remain positive with separation anxiety.
And remember, some insurers will cover behavior if referred by your vet.